Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you a very easy way to make woolen flower with two colors of wool and fork. Wrap the first color of wool around the fork 10 times. Then tie it to secure. Tie the second color of wool on the first one, in between the first and second teeth of the fork. Then wrap 7 times there to make the combination visible. Now pull the design out from the fork. Make the design 5 pieces and join them together to make an amazing woolen flower. After that, attach the medium-sized pearl at the middle. Thanks so much for watching.